Alrighty folks, today we're going to be cooking up every Virginian's favorite dish, fried squirrel. Ideally I'd have some taters to fry up with them, but don't have any on hand, so just plain old fried squirrel on its own. First step is I just want to soak these in some salt water for a bit. They've been frozen, but these are just halved squirrels. So soak them in some water, salt water, maybe with some seasoning, kind of do some marinating while I'm at it. There we go. And after a while, we'll fry them up. There's some salt in there, but I'm going to sprinkle in a little of this malt vinegar for extra flavor. That's my favorite vinegar. More seasoning once they're actually frying, but might as well do a little marinating while I'm at it. Lizzie's pretty excited for the squirrel. Alrighty, it's been soaking a bit and the blood straining out. Marinating a little. Ideally you wouldn't need to freeze this, and you could just do this all fresh and let it sit overnight in some salt water like this. But this will do good enough. Anyway, gonna dump this out and be frying up in no time. Got my pan coated with some good olive oil, so it's gonna be fairly healthy. Squirrel's a very low fat, organic, acorn fed. Doesn't get much healthier than this really, so we're gonna be eating healthy tonight. I want to keep the squirrel flavor pretty good, so I'm just seasoning with some black pepper. Might have been a little heavy-handed there, but I'll throw in some salt in there too. That'll be pretty much it, but I mean, you could season these any way you want, Cajun, Chinese, whatnot, you name it. And I'll just throw a dash of onion powder for fun, why not? I ground a little of that fancy black salt on there too, so I think our frying pan's getting about ready, so we're gonna just chuck them on there. Alrighty, got those bad boys grilling away, or frying away rather, and we'll just fry them until they're done. This is where it'd be nice to have some taters, and then you could, season them taters with a good squirrel gravy, but it's, plenty good without any taters. You can see they're starting to brown up nicely. Just kind of keep flipping them around, stirring them around. It's going to be good supper time here soon. Alrighty, all done. You can see that black salt on there from a volcano or something, I don't know. But anyway, time to dig in. Well, as delicious as always. Time to let the kitties lick the scraps. Well, she already licked all she wanted. But anyway, thanks for watching.